This is RD Sharma solution. We are taking class 12, chapter 19, exercises 19.3, indefinite integrals. Now the previous exercise, if you have done this exercise will be quite easy for you because we have already discussed the integrals, the standard result. Same here, we are going to separate them out. There are two terms actually here, 2x minus 3 raised to the power 5, and the second part or second term in the integration is under root 3x plus 2 dx. Dx is always there even if I write or not. Please remember. Now integration of x raised power n is x raised n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, that you already know with the constant of integration. Under root of x is equivalent to x raised to the power half. So here also we are going to use the same results. So we have 2x minus 3 raised to the power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1. I am using the same formula. This 3x plus 2 under root is actually 3x plus 2 to the power half. So make it as half like this. And then we have the constant of integration because we have already integrated it. So this 2, whenever we do this, we are talking about x. But here we are dealing with 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 2. The scenario or the solution is 2x minus 3, we'll take it as t, and then we differentiate like this. It happens, we'll see in the later questions. But here you have to just differentiate these two. That is, just differentiate whatever the result comes, you have to put it in the denominator. I'm saying 2x minus 3, if you differentiate, it's 2. 3x plus 2, if you differentiate, it's going to be 3. And this 2 and 3 has to be placed in the denominator. Okay, x raised to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is there. But this 2 and 3 which has come out of the differentiation has to be kept in the denominator. That is how we deal 2x minus 3 as simple x. So what is the final scenario? 2x minus 3 to the power 5 plus 1, that is 2x minus 3 to the power 6. This 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. Then we have this half plus 1 is 3 by 2. This is 3 is a 9, 9 by 2, so it goes up 2 by 9. And 3x plus 2 to the power half plus 1 is 3 by 2. And this is the constant of integration. This is your final result, which you are going to do. All the right side is as explanation. So this is the starting point, and all the questions which are coming out are more likely like this only, and simple formula has to be used. Now we have 1 by 7x minus 5 whole cube plus 1 by under root 5x minus 4. So we have to integrate here. When we integrate this one, it will be equal to integration of this 7x minus 5 whole cube goes up. So 7x minus 5 raised minus 3. 1 by x raised n is x raised minus n only, or x raised n equal to 1 by x raised minus n. Under root x is of course x to the power half. So this is half. When it goes up, it is going to be 5x minus 4 to the power minus half. So when we integrate this, 7x minus 5 minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Here we have 5x minus 4 to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. There is one more thing. You have to differentiate 7x minus 5 and the result has to be divided. 5x minus 4, when you differentiate it, 5 will come. That has to be put in the denominator. So let us write the answer now. 7x minus 5 to the power minus 2 divided by 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 7 is negative 14. Here you have 1 minus half is half. 2 goes up, 5 remains in the denominator. 5x minus 4, 1 minus half is half only. So you can just write it as 5x minus 4 half. You can just simplify it also. Like this, minus 1 by 14 is already there. 7x minus 5 to the power minus half goes down. 2 by 5, 5x minus 4. Root 2 is simply under root, because half is under root only, under root 5x minus 4. So these both are same, and you can have any of this. So I just added one more step for the completion of this question. This one also is quite similar, but here is one more scenario. 1 by 2 minus 3x, you will take it as 2 minus 3x to the power minus 1, take it to the numerator and then deal with it. That is one way. But integration of 1 by x is simply ln x. Consider this 2 minus 3x as simple x, because we can differentiate this and put this negative 3 in the denominator. What I am trying to suggest here is 1 by 2 minus 3x integration will be ln 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x, then we have to differentiate this. This is negative 3, and that has to be kept in the denominator. This is how it is done. The next one is, so we have the next one also, 1 by under root 3x minus 2. This integration you already know. So we'll take this 3x minus 2 in the numerator. It will go negative half. Whatever power is there, when it goes up, it will go minus. So 3x minus 2 to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. 3x minus 2 to the power half, it will be 1 minus half is half. Denominator 1 minus half is half. So we have this half, 2 goes up. So twice into 3x minus 2 to the power half. And we have to differentiate 3x minus 2, which is 3, and that has to be kept in the denominator. This is very important. I am again highlighting. When you are dealing this 3x minus 2 as simple x, then the differentiation of 3x minus 2 has to be kept in the denominator. 3x minus 2, if you are using the standard result, then the 3x minus 2 has to be dealt with that. You need to have certain more thing, right? So how it is done, we'll talk later, because there are questions in which we'll take it as a t and then solve it. But simply we take this 1 by 2 minus 3x, 1 by 2 minus 3x, 2 minus 3x, as if it is x, then it will be ln x. But 2 minus 3x differentiation, negative 3 has to be placed in the denominator. X plus 3 divided by x plus 1 to the power 4. So this explanation becomes very important, because there are certain questions like this which are coming up. X plus 3 can be written as x plus 1 plus 2. Alright. So x plus 1 plus 2. This is x plus 3. We have in the denominator x plus 1 to the power 4. So now separate them out. X plus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power 4. And 2 divided by x plus 1 to the power 4. This is x plus 1. X plus 1 to the power 4. Here you have twice. And I am taking it outside because a constant can be taken out. 1 by x plus 1 to the power 4. Alright. Dx will remain there. Please don't forget writing this dx. So this power gets cancelled. X plus 1 to the power 3 will remain in the denominator. Here you can take x plus 1 to the power 4, but it is going to go up. So let us take this denominator to the numerator. So it will become x plus 1 raised minus 3 dx. This will become x plus 1 to the power negative 4. Now we will just use this formula. X to the power n equals to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant of integration. But actual thing is that you have to differentiate x plus 1 and divide it also. What is the result? And this is x plus 1 to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. And when we differentiate this x plus 1, it will come as 1 only. So there is no change in this case. But it will not happen in every case. Please remember. X plus 1 to the power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 in this case. So this is x plus 1 to the power 1 minus 3 is negative 2. This is negative 2 as well. Twice. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. X plus 1 to the power 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So always constant of integration. Once you remove the integration sign, you have to put the constant of integration. So I am writing the final answer here. I am taking this x plus 1 to the power minus 2 in the denominator. It will give you 1 by x plus 1 to the x plus 1 whole square. And negative 2 is already there. And this one also, because this is negative, I am keeping it as a negative. 2 by 3. And this x plus 1 to the power minus 3. This goes down. So we have x plus 1 cube. This is your final result with the constant of integration. So this is your final result. This is the whole scenario. Now this question needs rationalization, because that will make the simplification. That will give you a simplified version of this, and you can integrate also very easily. So all these questions need rationalization. 1 by under root x plus 1 plus under root x it will be. And when we multiply, the rationalization factor is simply the negative in between. That is under root x plus 1 minus under root x. And this same in the numerator and denominator. And since it has formed a formula of a plus b and a minus b, that is, let us write the numerator first. Under root x plus 1 minus under root x. And this will be, denominator will be a square minus b square. That is under root x plus 1 whole square minus under root x whole square. So this under root x plus 1 whole square is x plus 1. Under root x will be x gets cancelled, you get 1. Now this integration will be like this. You have a dx here. So what will be the final thing? See, denominator has already gone to 1. So we will not deal with, we don't have to worry about the denominator now. So under root x plus 1, under root x separately we are going to integrate. Under root x is simply x raised half. But please remember, x plus 1 has to be differentiated and result will be kept in the denominator. So x plus 1 to the power half, and here x to the power half. X raised n is x raised n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant of integration. But we are dealing with x plus 1, not x. That is why we have to differentiate x plus 1, and because the differentiation is 1, there is no effect in this case. Here we have x raised half plus 1 by half plus 1. Now this final half plus 1 is 3 by 2. It goes up, it will form 2 by 3. Here also it's 2 by 3 in the numerator. Denominator it will be 3 by 2 only. X plus 1 to the power half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Again x to the power 3 by 2 with a constant of integration. Please remember, remove integration, it is followed by putting the capital C. So this is whole scenario which I was talking about, rationalization. So same thing as I said, there are questions which are following, and they also need the same treatment. That is under root 2x plus 3 plus under root 2x minus 3, and we need to rationalize it. That is multiply the numerator and denominator by the same term with a negative sign in between. If it would have been negative in the front, then you have to multiply it with the positive sign in between. That is, you have to change the sign and multiply, because the whole idea is to get the formula a square minus b square. And since we have root, square will eliminate the root. That is the whole key to this question or question like these. So in denominator you have a square minus b square. So under root 2x plus 3 whole square minus under root 2x minus 3 whole square. A square minus b square, this gets cancelled. 2x plus 3 it will be. And minus this will be 2x minus 3. Now 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 it will be. This 2x gets cancelled. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 1 by 6 in here. And in the new 1 by 6 here, integration also. 1 by 6 will remain here also. Now we have to integrate this under root 2x plus 3 and this integration of 2x minus 3 under root separately. So it has dx in it. Okay. So we have 1 by 6 under root 2x plus 3. This simply means 2x plus 3 to the power half. 2x minus 3 is also like that. 2x minus 3 to the power half. So let me write the direct answer. You know already. 2x plus 3 to the power half plus 1. You know I have what formula I am using. Half plus 1 in the denominator. Minus 2x minus 3 to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. 2x minus 3 also gives you 2x minus 3 to the power half divided by half plus 1. So I have used this formula. Integration of x raised n is x raised n plus 1 by n plus 1. And please remember, we are not dealing with x. We are dealing with 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. They are not simply x. So you need to differentiate these two after integration and divide the content in the denominator. Means you have to put that into the denominator. So 2x plus 3, what is the differentiation? It will give you 2. So you write 2 here. What is a differentiation of 2x minus 3? It will give you 2. So you write 2 in the denominator. So what do you get? This 2 multiplied by half plus 1. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2 only. So 3 by 2 into 2 is what? 2 gets cancelled. You have 3 in the denominator of the first term. Here also same thing. 3 by 2 into 2. So we have 3 in the denominator in both the terms. So the best way is to take this 3 out and it will remain in the denominator. So 1 by 6 into 3 is 18. 1 by 18 we have actually taken this 3 from the denominator. So only numerator will be left for us. 2x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2x minus 3 to the power 3 by 2. And this comes along with the constant of integration. This is your final result. Let me show you. This is the way you are going to write when you actually solve it. Because steps I told you, but these are the key things of rationalization that you need to understand. And whenever we integrate this thing which is not x, we have to differentiate it and keep that thing in the denominator. 2x plus 3 divided by 2 like this. Okay, we have done a question like this just now. So what we'll do here is 2x plus 1 is there in the denominator. So we'll take 2x plus 1 in the numerator. So if you have to have a 2x plus 1 in the numerator, you need to subtract 1 also. That is, 2x can be written as 2x plus 1 minus 1. Now separate them out. 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 whole square is one thing. 2x plus 1 whole square, this will be minus 1 by 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, dx remains with it. This gets cancelled. So we have 1 by 2x plus 1. So dx by 2x plus 1 it is. 1 by integration of x is simply ln x or log base ex. Here we have 1 by 2x plus 1. So you can just write this as log 2x plus 1, because it is simply because 2x plus 1 has been cancelled. So log 2x plus 1, the work has not stopped now, because differentiation of 2x plus 1 is 2, you have to divide it. And this one is simply, x to the power n will use. This goes up, so it will be 2x plus 1 to the power minus 2. Integration of this thing will be 2x plus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So we have this 2x plus 1 whole square goes up, 2x plus 1 minus 2. This is minus 2x plus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. And constant of integration, of course. So you have log, half will be there, log 2x plus 1. And this is negative 2 plus 3 is negative 1, negative 1, negative multiplied, plus it will be. So this will be 1, this negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So 1 by 2x plus 1 it will be. Minus 1, because minus 1 to the power goes in the denominator, it will be plus 1. So 2x plus 1 only will be there, along will be with the constant of integration. So we are doing the integration of 2x plus 1. So you have to have a differentiation of 2x plus 1, which is 2, and keep it in the denominator. Don't forget about that. This is your final result. So this question we have just done 2 of this question, but we'll take it. But we'll take it in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.